So I can tell. She does not want the Grizzlies to win. All right, thank you.
Bye.
Bye. On my YouTube channel. Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3, go Grizzlies. Go Grizzlies. 1, 2, 3, go Grizzlies. 1, 2, 3, go Grizzlies. From Fresno, Madeira. You want to say hello? Yeah, nice family.
Thank you.
You enjoying yourself?
Yes.
Good.
How about yourself?
Oh, awesome. Couldn't get the hot dog. My friend has it, but that's okay. Yeah.
Yep.
All right, tell them to subscribe to my channel, Abdul DZ, Abdul Space DZ. Say,
Abdul Space DZ.
subscribe to his channel.
Yeah.
What's up, brother? Hey,
What's up,
I saw the 2 fingers. He's ready, huh?
Go Grizzlies, and then San Jose.
It's over. It's over. Big shout out to them. My brother, what's your name?
Daniel.
Daniel, yeah. And he won a t-shirt, so they were throwing
for
t-shirt,
sure.
and they couldn't give one for me. So
There we go.
all right. Okay, power heater. Can I get one? Can I get one? I do feel me.
Now batting center fielder, number...
Can I get one? Can I get one? Can I get one? I do feel me.
Now batting our Dutch Bros strikeout batting.
Yeah, you want to say hello? Give the greeting to people in Fresno, family and friends. You want to say hello to them? Car shows.
You do shows?
Yeah, car shows, you know, in Fresno Valley area.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, so it's like unfortunate for me to come here, you know, because they had a classic car outside, but I expected to have more cars, but I guess not.
No, there's that one. You saw this guy, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah, no, yeah. That
Thank
was
you.
the only cars we had.
Oh, thank you.
Our Dutch Bros strikeout batting. Now batting center fielder, number...
Park center here is just a little bit. Now
Lead off for San Jose.
good job, Gal. Good job. I think. Let me see. Hold on. Stop. We have our winner right here, ladies and gentlemen. Now, all the votes.
Got a Chevrolet Impala right there.
An unforgettable motorsports experience. Now batting first baseman, number...
It's ball right there, ladies and gentlemen, for my lowrider friends.
So, buddy, how are you? And we're here for the game, right? They want Grizzlies to win against San Jose, the Giants.
That's right.
Hopefully.
That's right. Grizzlies.
Yeah, the Grizzlies. Go for the Grizzlies and the Bulldogs, right?
Follow my TikTok, gosh.
Batting ninth, left fielder, number 28, Esposito. A G-Force member will be by shortly with your prize. Now batting center fielder, number 24, Caleb Hobson.
one of my favorite games right here. It is called Junk in the Trunk. That's right, a minute to win it game right here. Junk in the Trunk. We have 2 contestants. The winner is going to get some tickets to Monster Jam coming to St. Mark Center here in just a little bit. Nelly and Miguel, are you guys ready to go? Fans, are you guys ready? On your mark. Get set. Let's see them go. Here they go. They're junking in the trunk. We got balls flying everywhere. Oh my goodness, all these balls, they're flying out everywhere. Junking. Miguel's done this before, I think. Let me see. Hold on, stop, Miguel, stop. We have our winner right here, ladies and gentlemen, now. All the balls to Monster Jam coming to the St. Mark Center right here. Miguel, do you like monster trucks? Yeah. Yes, he said, are you going to take Nelly? Yeah. Yeah, okay, they're going together, right? We got winners right here. Big round of applause for our Junk in the Trunk winners right here. Good job, Miguel. Good job.
An unforgettable motorsports experience for families and fans in the world. It returns to Fresno for an lead off for San Jose, number 5, Charlie Ciccone. Now batting first baseman, number 7, Jack Payton. Strike.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Now batting number 13, right fielder, Cesar Quintas.
Got a Chevrolet Impala right there.
You're gonna learn today. You're gonna learn today.
So buddy, how are you, man? You guys like cars? I want to give a big shout out to people in Fresno and Madera. Doing that for my YouTube channel. What's your name?
Juan.
Juan. Oh, okay, you want to say hello. Hola a los amigos in Fresno.
Amigos.
Familia.
Estamos en Fresno aquí en el Grizzlies.
Uh-huh.
En el evento de los oldies.
Yeah. And we're here for the game, right? We want Grizzly to win against San Jose, the Giants.
That's right,
Hopefully.
that's right. Grizzlies.
Yeah, the Grizzly. Go for the Grizzly and the Bulldogs too, right?
Follow my TikTok, Gosh
Oh,
Child
TikTok.
559.
Yeah, what's your TikTok name?
Gosh Child 559.
Gosh Child?
Gosh Child 559.
Gosh Child 559. Okay. All right, thank you. I appreciate it.
Fresno Grizzlies low.
Now batting our Dutch Bros strikeout batting.
I'm filming for my YouTube channel. I do car shows. Yeah, you want to say hello? Give the greeting to people in Fresno, family and friends. You want to say hello to them? Yeah. She's still waving, huh? She can't stop waving. All right. What do you want to win? Grizzly?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, not sure.
I'm a Giants fan.
You probably got a boyfriend in San Jose, I can tell. She does not want the Grizzlies to win. All right, thank you.
Bye.
All right. Filming for my YouTube channel. I do car shows, you know. You want to give a shout out people in Fresno, Madera. You want to say hello? Yeah, nice family.
Thank you.
You enjoying yourself?
Yes.
Good.
How about yourself?
Oh, awesome. Couldn't get the hot dog. My friend has it, but that's okay. Yeah. Take care.
Thank you.
How are you, man? Yeah, you want a presentation? I do that on my YouTube channel. I do car shows.
You do shows?
Yeah, car shows, you know, in Fresno, Valley area.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's like unfortunate for me to come here, you know, because they had a classic car outside, but I expected to have more cars, but I guess not.
No, there's that one. You saw this guy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. That was the only cars we had.
Oh, thank you, awesome. You work for the Highway Patrol, are you?
California Highway Patrol, yes, sir.
Oh, okay,
Yes,
awesome.
sir.
So, you know, here we go. We have our guys looking after us, right? So don't drink and drive, right?
Do not drink and drive. Designate a sober driver if you do.
Always. Good business for Uber and Lyft, but at least you get home safe. All right?
Please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What's up, brother? Hey, I saw the two fingers. He's ready, huh? Hey, Grizzlies gonna win, huh? We're a little bit behind, right?
I don't know, huh?
I don't know about that. The game is getting kind of tight, but you never know, right? Anything can happen the last second. I don't see a chance, but I can see the imagination.
Yeah.
But I don't have to imagine because we have a beautiful couple in reality. So, you sister, brother?
No, we're married.
Oh, married.
Yeah.
You know, they say the more you hang out together, the more you look alike. You know?
Really?
Yeah. That's what they say. So get some ice cream, man. Pull yourself off.
Yeah.
We from Fresno.
Yeah.
Big shout out people in Fresno, family, friends, you know. So give them a big shout out.
Yep.
All right. Tell them to subscribe to my channel, Abdul DZ, Abdul Space DZ. Say it.
Abdul Space DC.
Subscribe to his channel.
Yeah.
He's an
subscribe to
awesome
his
guy.
channel. That's
awesome
right.
guy.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. Take care.
We'll
Bye-bye.
find you.
Go Greensy, right? You want to give a big shout out to people in Fresno. Doing that for my YouTube channel. Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3. Go Greensy. 1, 2, 3. Go Grizzly. 1, 2, 3. Go Grizzly. 1, 2, 3. Go Grizzly. And San Jose, go home. All right.
Go Grizzlies, and then San Jose.
It's over. Hello everyone, how are you? I see the Mexican flag and the American flag behind. Yeah. You want to say hello, people Fresno? Big shout out to them. Thank you. All right. Hey, can I get one? 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 I do all the filming. Can I get one? Can I get one? I do filming. brother, what's your name?
Daniel.
Daniel, yeah. And he won a t-shirt. So they were throwing t-shirt, they couldn't give one for me. So because they think I was doing the camera thing, you know, like part of the stuff. But he was on one of my homie. He won one prize. Oh, where's the logo, bro? Oh, here we go. That's what we're talking here.
There we go.
All right. Okay, power heater, yes, Grizzly.
Yeah, for
awesome.
sure.
Go Grizzly, man. Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you.
Go Grizzly. Thank you.